everyone, welcome back. In this new episode, we will be talking about MCP. So, what is MCP? It stands for Model Context Protocol, and honestly, it is one of the most exciting things happening in AI right now. Okay, so by end of this video, you will totally get what it is, why it matters, and why developers are going crazy about it. So make sure you watch till the end of this video. Okay, so who created this MCP? So MCP was created by Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI. Okay, and they made it open standard for everyone so that anyone can build with it. Okay, so any developer can create the MCP server for their own tools. Okay, so now next let's see what is the problem statement. Okay, so now let's imagine you have hired a smartest assistant in the world, and that person can answer any questions, be it writing a code, drafting an email. Basically, he's a very genius person. Okay, and here is the catch. What if they are locked in a room without phone, internet, and no access to your files? Okay, so they can only use their own memory. So that's exactly what AI is like today without the MCP. Okay, it's brilliant, but it can't actually do anything in the real world. Okay, it cannot check your email, it cannot look at your Notion docs, or it cannot push the code into the GitHub repository, and it cannot send the Slack messages, etc. You can name it. Okay, so now developer wants to fix this, and for that they have started building the custom connections for each of this. For example, one for Gmail and one for the Slack and one for the GitHub. So, and here the problem is every single connection was completely different. Okay, different code, different rules, and everything is different. It was like a needing different charger for every single device we own. Remember that nightmare before the USB comes. Like we have to use different charger for every device. Okay, be it a laptop, mobile, or headphone, it has to be a separate charger. And with the USB-C, it is a single plug-in for all the devices, right? Okay, so now what is the solution? And these are the problem. Now, what is the solution which MCP will solve it? So MCP is basically a universal plug for AI. Okay, instead of building the new custom connection for every tool, developers now build only the MCP connection, and it works with every AI that support MCP. So for example, here you can see the analogy. Think of it MCP like a USB. Okay, so before you had different charger, right? For every device like phone, laptop or headset, all the device you had to have a different charger. And now we have one USB cable, which is USB-C, a single standard for all the devices. So MCP is that for AI and tools, which is a universal plug for all the AI which can be accessed the real world data, and one standard which built once and works everywhere, right? Okay, now let us see how this MCP works. Okay, so it's pretty simple. There are three steps how MCP works. So step number one, you ask something like, hey, summarize my unread emails. Okay, or check my unread emails. Okay, and step 2, the AI talks to Gmail using the MCP standard. Okay, using this secure MCP standard protocol, it talks to Gmail. It's like the AI and Gmail are speaking in the same language. Okay, and step 3, you get the real answer. Okay, the actual data from your actual inbox. So here there is no custom code needed, and there is no special setup for each tool that we are using, and it's just a one standard protocol doing all the heavy lifting here. Okay. Okay, so what can MCP connect AI to? So basically, pretty much anything your AI needs to actually get things done. For example, it can connect to your Gmail, Slack Messenger, Teams, and it can also connect to your local computer files and terminal and the apps that you have. And it can connect to the GitHub repositories, and it can connect to the Jira and database. It can also connect to your Dropbox and OneDrive, you can name it. Okay, you can use MCP connect to all these tools. So it's basically giving AI hands so it can reach out and touch the real world. Without MCP, it can be only within the limitation where it is locked within the room, where AI, trained with a set of data during the cutoff date, right? So it knows only about those data. And with the MCP, it can connect to the real world and you can get the real data, the live data. Okay, so what are the key takeaways here with MCP? Without MCP, AI was isolated and it couldn't access your real world data or tools. And every tool required a custom code without MCP, which is hard to maintain and it's hard to scale as well. And MCP is a universal standard protocol that works well with every AI, and you just have to build it once and you can use it anywhere that AI can support. And it is a open standard which is created by Anthropic and it's free to build on. Okay, so that's all in this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.